Good morning, Forex fam. Forex King coming back at you with another video, and I'm getting right into it. If this is your first time seeing my video, as you know, well, you don't know, this is your first time. But right now, I don't have any thumbnails, no fancy titles, no clickbait, just real, authentic, consistent content that I hope is valuable for your trading journey. For those who've been with me before, you already know what it is. So let's get right into it. Not wasting any time, man. So far, not bad, not bad at all, not bad at all. So we're in this trade right now. I'm paying attention to obviously this level to see what the market does. It pulled back pretty well, and that's a gap up. So usually with a gap up, it might continue going down. Not sure. We'll see. Hope it keeps going up. You already know. But I mean, we got into a really good trade. Really good trade. I just want to see what happens over the next few candles, and then we'll keep it going. Again, for those who are new to my videos, so my videos are unscripted. Again, they're real, raw, authentic content, and my videos will last basically the length of the candles that I'm watching. So, like, I trade on the 5 minute chart, so I'll sometimes just wait and make decisions based on candle movement. So this was a pretty, yeah. So I'll make decisions on the closure of candles, and basically that's how my videos will go. You're watching my thought process, what's going on, how I'm thinking, how I'm feeling, and that's it. It's nothing fancy, nothing difficult. You know what I'm talking about? So let's see where we at. Again, not surprised that we have this bearish candle, but right now, I mean, this is shaping up to be a really good trade right now. So based on my strategy, I'm going to hold out for a little bit, see what happens during this candle, and then we'll decide. It's really just about, man, trusting yourself, trusting your formula, trusting your strategy, and just do what you need to do. That's it. I really don't have nothing crazy to say today, just because I'm excited. This is um, a funded account with Funded Trading Plus prop firm. So I'll be honest, this is my very first time trading with this particular volume on this account. So I'm just really paying attention to what's going on right now. And we're just being transparent. Uh, I've actually scaled, so I actually started with a $5,000 instant funded account. I was able to scale it up to $10,000, and we're doing pretty good. It might seem like the account is low, but that's because I took a small withdrawal. I love this. Just to show you real quickly. So even though the stats may show that the highest was 10,369, you see that the watermark was 10,7. So this was the highest the account has been. And what I did was I took a small payout to pay myself. While that loads, let me pay attention. Cool. Keep going up. I love it. While that's low, okay. So I took a small payout on the 4th of July. Because, I mean, I deserve it. You know, when you're trading, you have to pay yourself forward. You have to pay yourself forward. Just pay yourself, period. Because that's what you're here to do. It's one thing to keep trading, but you want to feel and touch some of the fruits of your labor. So I paid myself. And that's what it is. As you can see, I've gotten 2 payments from FTP so far. So clearly, I kind of know what I'm doing as a trader. You know, right? I'm not rich yet, but to at least be able to have a funded account, get some payments out, I can say that, you know, it's something I can build off of and keep going, keep grinding. So I'm excited about that. And I'm just paying attention to this particular trade. So I don't trade with stop loss or take profit. I trade with price action and a series of other methods that, well, obviously moving averages, clearly, right? And just a certain strategy that I have that I learned. Nothing complicated, nothing crazy. It's really just support and resistance. It's really all I trade. Uh, Support and resistance, find a good level, wait for price action, and then going for the kill. Really, that's it. And right now, we're doing pretty good. So this was my first alarming level. So I see that it's hovering to not get past it. Let's see if it gets past it on this candle or the next. If it gets past it, great. I'm staying in the trade. I'm excited to see where it goes. If it doesn't get past it, I should be really hesitant and I should pay attention on when to get out the trade. That's kind of my mindset right now. But all signs are saying relax. Mm-hmm. Let's see what this candle does. Based on my strategy, though, everything is, well, seems to be showing me to just relax, and that is correct. That is correct. Yes, sir. So this will be my, as long as I, matter of fact, let me not jinx it yet, right? Mm, 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 mm. So the next level that I'm watching clearly is this light blue level, because it's kind of simple logics from my mentor when he taught me. Is just when you see something that happens, expect it to happen again. Now it's not always guaranteed, right? Nothing in the market's a guarantee, right? But you see this level here, it bounced and then tanked. I'm willing to bet that the next time it hits this level, it's probably gonna bounce, right? Like that's why I was hesitant with this level, because you saw what happened. This is just yesterday. I actually got on this trade, as you can see. Just yesterday, you had this strong bearish candle from this level. So when I saw this candle push through, wick through it, and drop down, and this candle wick and then go up, obviously it's just reason to kind of really to be attentive in what's going on. But the markets are the markets, and based on your strategy and what you're doing and how you're trading, it's up to interpretation. But right now, we're doing absolutely phenomenal. And I am on pace to having my biggest day since trading, well, since recording for YouTube, which to me is a major accomplishment. So I am excited for that. So that's why I say real and authentic content. It's not about the dollar amount for now. The money's gonna come. For me, it's just about becoming better, being consistent, trusting myself, being disciplined, and just really enjoying and embracing this journey. But like this is amazing to say the least. You and this comes off some couple losses that I've had the last couple days, but this trade here, man, like amazing. All right, but let's see what happens. It's 10:09. Ten, 10. This might be my last candle for this particular video, but man, this is a really good trade, man. Really good trade. Really, really, really good trade, bro. And if you remember, well, if you watch some of my videos, this same trade literally a month ago was maybe $50, $75. So look how fast things can go and things can scale if you just stay patient, stay diligent, and then incrementally increase your volume. Like I can comfortably say that, I mean, yeah, while I'm a little bit, this is my first time trading with this volume on this trading account, well, this platform period, I've gotten used to, and I've allowed myself to go. I didn't rush the process. Of course, we all want money. Of course, I want bigger payouts than $200-300. Yeah, I want to get to my first $1,000 day as soon as possible. Those are all things. But if you've never made that kind of day in the markets, especially with the US30, who's so volatile, you have to just allow yourself grace to be able to grow and be able to handle that type of movement. If you've never seen that kind of movement before, man, it can create some real anxiety and some real anxious emotions. But to like incrementally increase my volume and just go with the flow, step by step, little by little, bit by bit. Yeah, this is my first time, but it's not like shocking. If that makes sense. But man, I'm more than elated right now. More than elated right now. So we just watching these candles move. At 10:15, I'll probably shut down the video. But absolutely phenomenal day, bro. Phenomenal day. Now look, see, like we had a strong, strong bullish run, and you can see momentum is really starting to slow down here. And still 2 more minutes left in the time frame. Hopefully we can get a push through. But yeah, let's see what happens. Oh wow. Man, if it pushed, oh, let's see it. Boom. I'm glad I looked a little further. I'm going to be paying attention to the P&L while I'm talking. But look, this explains why we're hovering right now. Look, 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 So this is where the market is. The market is just underneath this blue, and this is where it's at right now. So look, like, so now I've learned, and I'm sure all trading gurus will say that, man, you don't have to overcomplicate this thing. The market will give you clues. It's about to hit 400, bro. That's crazy. That's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. But so now, so this is how I trade. Again, I try to pay attention to the different levels and allow the market to guide me on what's going on. So now that we're pushing through, this is shaping up to be a really, really good trade. So now I know what's going on and why it's hovering. Ooh. So now it pushed through 10-15. Now I want to see what's going on. Now I understand why it was hovering. What? Wow. This is great. This is super, bro. This is, let me see. I said I was going to shut down the video. I lied. I want you guys to kind of enjoy this trade with me. This is a major win for me, man. Wow. That explains a lot. This is the daily. No need for conversation fillers right now, man. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing, man. Now I can turn my music back on. Okay. So for obvious reasons, we saw why the market is stalling at this area. This is just a really good level. This is a good area. So if you were with me just a few minutes ago, you saw the area, you saw the hesitation. The market has been in this area and created problems before. Keep going, man. Yes. Let's go. Woo wee! I love. Yes. Yes. Come on, man. Come on. Let's go, bro. Let's go, man. Let's go. So this is so exciting. Yo, this is really exciting, man. This is really, really, really exciting. For real. To the point where, man, to the point where I don't really have much to say. Like I don't even want to talk too much anymore. I just want to appreciate this major win. I will say this while I'm watching this kind of move. For those of you who are just trading, especially when it comes to prop firms, man, just trust yourself and be patient, bro. Because just last month, this same trade, I've caught swings like this. Just last month, this same trade would have been maybe $80, $110, $140, right? But I didn't let the dollar amount sway me because I knew what I'm pushing to do. Now, less than a month later, look what this same trade is netting me. I can only imagine what this trade will be in another month or two. And that's why trading is fun and worthwhile. Just stick with it. It's worth it for sure. I'm talking just, man, just watch some of my wins in June. Just watch some of my videos that I have in my June playlist. You see what I'm talking about. This is my biggest day since recording on YouTube. Like crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. All right, it's too much of a drop. I really didn't want 400, and it may go up. I should have closed it out earlier, but major day, bro. Major, 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 major day, and I'm excited, bro. So I appreciate you guys for rocking with me. This is an absolutely phenomenal day. I'm shutting on the charts for the rest of the day. Period. So, man, if you guys are in the market, be careful. If you're in the market, be careful. If you haven't found a trade setup that you like based on your strategy, man, stay patient, stay disciplined. But again, I always say, be careful because the markets don't care about you. Only you care about you. So I appreciate you for rocking with me. Forrest King out.